6 minutes, 1 discovery chat, 3 sellable retainers ready to bill. No extra scoping, no guesswork. I'm Marcus Chen, and if you're a traveling freelancer or a solo founder who needs predictable, visa-friendly income, listen closely. This changes everything for nomads.
Hold up. 6 minutes to 3 offers? That sounds like wizardry. I want proof, not hype. Show me the raw output you get from the model.
Not wizardry, a tight prompt and a repeatable stack. Quick context first. The call was a solo founder of a small adventure tour business. Pain points, steady site traffic, manual booking follow-ups, no email automation, and a tight budget.
Wait, so manual follow-ups and conversions are the choke points. Got it. What exact prompt do you feed the transcript?
I paste the transcript and then I use one simple extraction prompt. Exact wording, you are an expert consultant. From this transcript, list 3 microservices, required deliverables, time estimates, and 3 tiered price points with short sales copy. That prompt tells the model to act like a productizer, not a copywriter or a strategist alone.
Okay, show me one full microservice the model returned. Verbatim. No sugarcoating.
Automated booking follow-up sequence, deliverables, 3 email sequence, welcome, reminder, last chance, booking webhook integration to confirm reservations, weekly conversion report, CSV and short summary, estimated effort 2 hours per month, price tiers, basic $150 per month, template emails plus setup guide, pro $350 per month, customized copy plus webhook plus monthly tweaks, DFY $950 per month, full setup A/B testing 1-to-1 quarterly strategy review, sales copy, turn warm interest into confirmed bookings, automated follow-ups that convert while you travel.
That DFY price, $950, feels high for a small operator. I'm not saying it's wrong, but how do you justify that tier without scaring people off?
Good push. DFY includes A/B testing, hands-on troubleshooting, and a quarterly strategic review. Things that actually move revenue. The basic tier is intentionally low to get buy-in. DFY is a higher margin service for clients who value time over price. You tier around outcomes, not features.
Right, but you must prevent scope creep. If a basic client expects ongoing customization, that eats your hours. How do you protect your time ethically?
2 mechanisms. First, a clear SOW and onboarding that lists included items and billable add-ons. Second, automation gates. The onboardings app sends a pre-filled scope checklist. The client confirms scope in Airtable. If they request extras, a scope change form creates an add-on quote that only triggers work after human approval. Automation enforces transparency. Humans approve value exchange.
I like automation enforcing the rules, not replacing judgment. Let's talk stack. Keep it travel-friendly and cheap. What pieces are essential?
Minimal modular stack, an LLM for extraction, a lightweight vector DB for searchable transcripts if you want recall, Airtable as the single source of truth, Zapier or Make for automations, Stripe or PayPal for payments, and ConvertKit for client sequences. Each piece is swappable. Keep connectors simple so you can pivot tools if pricing or APIs change.
Give me a config snippet so listeners can picture the wiring. A quick mapping. Airtable fields, basic Zapflow.
Airtable table, offers, fields, name, short desk, deliverables, long text, hours per month, number, price basic, price pro, price DFY, onboarding email, long text, Stripe price ID. Zap example, new Airtable record, run LLM refinement step, create Stripe product, send ConvertKit welcome, add to delivery queue, simple and repeatable.
Quick privacy check. You mentioned storing transcripts. What defaults do you recommend so listeners don't accidentally mishandle client data?
Always get explicit consent at intake. Pseudonymize client names before you store transcripts in a vector database. Encrypt data at rest and set a retention window, 30 to 90 days by default. And never publish anything referencing a client without signed approval. The rule? Automation speeds work. Humans own permission and final delivery.
Good. Now listeners want practical next steps. Give me a 15-minute action plan they can run tonight.
10 minutes. Create an Airtable based with the offers table I just described. Paste the extraction prompt into a long text field called raw prompt/transcript. 5 minutes. Grab one real inquiry transcript, 6 minutes of audio transcribed or a chat log, paste it into the field and run the extraction prompt through your LLM. You will get 3 microservices back.
And after you get the outputs, don't ship them raw. Edit the onboarding email, set the retention window, and schedule a 20-minute kickoff call for the first month. Keep the human touch where it matters.
Exactly. One more thing. Revenue math and a sentence. 5 Pro tier retainers at $350 is $1,750. Add 2 DFY at $950 adds $1,900. Total recurring $3,650 while you work roughly 6 to 8 hours per week after automation. Scale by repeatability, not bespoke scope.
That's realistic and conservative. My only pushback is, don't let automation become a reason to skip onboarding calls. Build goodwill in month 1 with a short video walkthrough or a 20-minute live kickoff.
Totally agree. Human checkpoints at onboarding, monthly reviews, and whenever delivery affects client branding. Non-negotiable. Automation handles templates, triggers, and reminders. Humans handle relationship and judgment.
Quick ethical checklist for listeners. Get consent for transcript storage. Pseudonymize sensitive details. Set a clear retention window. And require human sign-off before any client-facing publication. Small rules, big trust payoff.
That's your AI blueprint for today. If you want full templates, a starter Airtable base, and one-click Zap examples to implement this faster, enroll in our travel-ready automation course at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. Automate the ordinary, amplify the extraordinary. Sophia, final thought?
Start small. Test one inquiry. Keep the human touch. And add guardrails. You'll know it's working when a client signs within the week. Let's make this actually work for you.
Thanks for listening. That's your AI blueprint for today. Ready to implement this at a higher level? Enroll in our high-income remote skills courses at nomadlifesuccess.com/courses. This changes everything for nomads. Automate the ordinary, amplify the extraordinary.